What's up, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. We've been working on a house project the past couple weeks, and that is making a nice little fire pit area where we can all hang out and have a nice barbecue and a fire and stuff like that. So, since it's raining out, it is not the greatest day to be working outside. I'm out here in the shop and I'm going to be working on the fire pit ring. And for that, I got some scrap metal from the scrapyard. This is just some diamond plate that had been rolled into kind of a U shape. I'm not sure what they used it for. It was just there at the scrapyard. So I'm going to work at tacking a couple of these together and see if I can't make a nice little ring that'll work as a fire pit. Alright, well it kind of looks like a circle. I was able to use 2 full pieces and then I just took one and marked it and cut that with the bandsaw. That worked great. It looks pretty straight. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is weld those all along there, and then if it needs tweaking a little bit, I'll lay it up on edge and kind of bend it that way if it needs it. She's a smidge out around. That's still an inch off. It looks pretty close.
It does?
Pretty close, people. I figured this is where my fatness would pay off being able to bend this, but apparently I'm not fat enough, so I guess I'll go to get some McDonald's today.
Did you already get McDonald's?
Yeah, I might have. Hey, I moved it like an 8. I don't know, that's pretty close, man.
I would believe it.
Don't even F with it! Well, guys, here is the finished result of the fire pit area. Got gravel all along here, brick outlined. Didn't really show any of that. We've been working on that over the past few weeks, but that is all done. Just got the fire pit ring finished up and set into place. I think it looks good here. Pretty happy about this. This will give us a nice little area to hang out and have a barbecue and nice little fire in the evening. So this should work well. Here after a bit, I will toss some wood in there and try it out a little bit later tonight, but that's going to wrap up this project. Wasn't too much involved with it. I just wanted to get a nice fire pit ring done, and it saved me some money because I got the stuff from the scrapyard. Some of these fire pit stuff for fire pit rings that you can buy get pretty expensive, so I'm happy to save a little bit of money doing it this way, and I think it turned out exceptionally well. It will work great and do exactly what it needs to do. So that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below if you like the fire pit layout or if you have any suggestions on that. We will be working on the porch next. That thing is looking a little bit weathered and needs redone. But that's going to wrap up this one. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.